let's take a look at the NewAge Subscribe Monthly and Save. What is a subscription? So subscription orders are recurring orders set up on your account and run automatically every 4 weeks on a Saturday. It is set to your qualification week to make it simple so that you can keep your account qualified for commissions. And you can log into your back office and you can update the products on your subscription anytime that you like. So what are the benefits of having a subscription? Well, as the title says, subscribe monthly and save, so you save money. By setting up a subscription on your account, you as a brand partner unlock wholesale pricing. Having your subscription set up with 100 PV keeps you commission qualified, so you get paid. Having your subscription set up on your account means that when you sell products to customers at recommended retail price, you earn retail incentive. And by having your subscription process every 4 weeks with 100 PV, you get to keep your benefits. So you get to keep all your PV,